We have had engagements with Mr. Bester. We had issues that we did not agree on insofar as the matter is concerned. Finance was just one of those aspects, but we have since resolved that issue with him. Hence, we are back on record with Advocate Pila to represent him going forward.
All right. I'm seeing at this particular point, you seem to suggest through what Advocate Pila has brought before this court that the person that is before this court, you are insinuating or suggesting that it may not be Thabo Bester.
Griselda Lookman, that application has been dealt with by the court. It has been dismissed. But
what was the basis for bringing that?
Yes, I'm coming to that. The only thing that we requested was that, remember there's a J50 that has been issued. We just wanted the court to satisfy itself insofar as that had informed them to say they are now issuing a J50 against Thabo Bester, whereas there is no documentation insofar as supporting that allegation is concerned. I mean, we have a death certificate as it stands right now to say the person that is alleged to have passed away in prison, G4S, has been certified dead. That death certificate has not been revoked as yet. So who do we have with us before court? That is the only aspect that we need to canvass with the court, because it cannot, as a matter of law, that we proceed before the issue of the identity of the accused person has been dealt with. We don't want to set a precedent where we are saying you just arrest every person, you just bring them here, you don't confirm, you only confirm when they're here. That is the only issue that we need to raise with the court and for the court to confirm. But that application has been dealt with. There isn't much that I can confirm further insofar as the application is concerned.
So you just wanted this court to revoke basically the death certificate, or to say that death certificate...
No. It was not for us to ask the court that they must actually revoke. What I'm saying is that we wanted the court to satisfy itself that indeed the accused person before court is indeed Thabo Bester, based on the information that they have. That is why you had counsel Advocate Pila requesting that what other information do they have to actually confirm that indeed we have Thabo Bester before us, because there is nothing whatsoever that suggests that indeed it's Thabo Bester. So that application has been canvassed, has been dealt with. The magistrate had a different view, which we accept. But we will then go back to the drawing board, consult with the client based on what had transpired today in court, and then we take it from there.
So will you be continuing to push for your client to be brought to this court? You say through Advocate Pila that you were not in agreement with the fact that your client was to appear virtually because you'd want to consult with him in court as and when you feel the need to. Will you continue to push for that?
Yes, definitely. Griselda, look, I got a call from the state on a Friday saying to me they are aware that I'll be coming on board on Monday, which I confirmed. They then said, no, we are going to request that the client be dealt with on Monday virtually. And I refused because I knew that we would have to deal with certain issues in court. As and when the proceedings are unfolding, we'll need to go to him and take further instructions. We'll need to confirm certain things with him, which we can't do in the open court. Because look, whatever that I discuss with the client, as a matter of principle, is privileged. So we where each time we need to take instructions or confirm certain things, we request people to go outside. It was for that reasons that we actually want him to come to court, and then we deal with the matter with him being present in court. So it is from that background that we were actually pushing that he be in court. Going forward, we will still push